These wiggle text presets will work with Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Right-click here. Click on Manage Additional Folders. Here click on Add. Select Templates folder. Here all templates are installed. Place any template on the timeline. Here you can change the text. Text font can be changed from here. Here you can change text color. Text position and scale can be changed from here. Here you can change wiggle amount. That's it. Thanks for watching.